Tiny reviewer. Today I'll be reviewing wild Argentine red shrimp. Red shrimp. I love shrimp. I love seafood. Peeled and deveined, tail off. The price is $14.99, so about $15. Let's turn it over. The shrimp that tastes like lobster. I love lobster, so probably this will be good. Nutrition facts, they're pretty big. Ingredients, which are Argentine red shrimp, contain shrimp. Let's rip it, I guess. It's another Ziploc thingy. Come on, this last part just... Uh-oh. Something's coming out. Okay, let's just stop here, I guess. Just stop here. That's an odd angle. Oh my goodness. Hold the camera still, father. Oh God. God, there you go. Odd angle, huh? But yeah, that's what it looks like. I'm trying to do my best to angle it into the camera. Hot potato. This shrimp is cooking on a pan, I believe. We didn't have to put it in the oven this time. Pretty noisy. So now I'm gonna be tasting 3. I get why it's called a red shrimp. Okay, so I'm gonna cut one. I'm really an elegant person who cuts nicely or something. But I'm a normal, an average. Yeah. Cool. Looks like a yummy shrimp to me. So it's pretty hot. On the teensy bit now. Hot. So in the package it does say the shrimp that tastes like lobster. And my father ate one, so that's why one is gone. And it says it does taste like lobster. So good. The mantra does work. So that's it for today. Subscribe and press the like button. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.